In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on More Connections right away. Now it's time to scroll to hit Printing over here, and then tap on the Footprint service or any other service you have and wanna use. You'll be able to switch them on the same way, so whatever you decided, when you're ready, tap on your service and use gray switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip, most people don't know that you can tap on those three dots at the top right corner if you have any connection issues. Choose Add Printer and tap on Add Printer by IP address to import it here and select Add. This way you'll be able to connect manually. If your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, you can also use this switcher right next to this feature and tap on Find Wi-Fi direct printers so your tablet will look for yours. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!